What's up, YouTube? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Killer here. Today, I have a new video for you. But first, I wanted to let you guys know I was supposed to do a birthday video, but I went to 2 liquor stores and they didn't have the winner's choice. The winner's choice was 100 proof moonshine cherries. They had pickles, but I don't substitute. The winner's choice is a winner's choice. You get what you get. That's what you wanted, that's what you wanted. You ain't getting no substitutes. So, you're gonna get what you get. So, but to make up for it, for not doing a video on my birthday, which was March 5th, I will shotgun this. I already shotgunned the other ones. They were fun. They were fucking delicious. I shotgunned the cotton candy and the salted caramel. Ooh, man. They were great. Whipped cream was nasty. Unicorn was nasty. But cotton candy and salted caramel, holy fuck, I shotgunned both of those. They tasted fucking delicious. Was definitely worth it. 100%. This one is iced cake. Swirl iced cake. So, I don't know. This one won't taste any good, so. I mean, who knows? Whipped cream and unicorn tasted bad. Cotton candy, salted caramel. They were the bid. The funny thing is, these are 8%. And I got them at the, what was it? A beer store. For, let's say, $1 a piece. Because that's how much they actually were. I don't believe it. I was like, $1 a piece? Shit. There obviously has to be something going on, you know. Like, they're so damn strong or something. Alright. Let me go right into it. Make sure my shirt's tucked in. So my belly don't come out. Alright. On 7, 2, 1, shotgun! This was just as bad as whipped cream. I would think this is like whipped cream mixed with something else. Oh, this is terrible. Gotta hold on to the wall for support. That was gross. Oh. They did it. Oh. Out of all the swirls, that brings it up to number 1. So number 1's tied with whipped cream. Number 2 is unicorn. What's the other one? So it's 3. Because there was only 5. And then the other 2 were good. So they're not all on the list. Whew. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that shotgun. Drop a thumbs up, thumbs like, dislike, thumbs down, whatever. Subscribe. It's only if you want to. And drop a comment. See what you want me to do. You know, beer review, shotgunning of your kind. Something new that's reasonable. That's it. Well, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Killer out. Till next time.